How to set your desktop background to a solid color in Windows 10. So if you're joining me and you've seen some of my previous videos, you'll notice that I've always had this basic Windows 10 background for my desktop. But I figured it'd probably be a good idea to change that up so it can make it easier to see different icons I might have on the desktop. So first, what you do from the desktop is just go ahead and right click it with your mouse, and from the submenu that pops up, go ahead and select Personalize. So the settings menu will then open up, and from here you'll notice that we are on the background tab of the personalized section within settings. So from here you'll notice that there is a background drop down option, and from here we can select solid color if we would like, or there's also a slideshow option. But for how to set your Windows 10 desktop background to a solid color, we're going to click on solid color. So from here, it'll give you a vast array of options for your color. So from orange, all the way to black. Right now it's currently set on gray. So if I go, actually it's technically called storm, it looks like. So if I want, I can go ahead and minimize my window here, and we'll now notice that the background is gray. So, or storm as it is called. So if we go back and open up the settings again, we can select a different option such as red, and it is now red. But if the color you want isn't on this array of colors, you can go ahead and select the custom color option, which will give you an entire rainbow of colors at different brightnesses that you can choose from, and also a slider bar to choose the more specific one. So let's go with a nice purple, a little purple pink, I guess you might call it, or lavender. So we'll go with that. And then you'll also notice that over here on the left hand side, the settings bar will change slightly to make it seem kind of transparent for the background behind it. And then after you've added that custom color, it will then add it to the array of background color options. So then we go ahead and close out of the settings window for color. You'll notice that it is now a nice purple lavender. So that is how you change your desktop background to a solid color in Windows 10.